أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students. So we'll talk about Islamic integration first. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, God, his angel, and all those in heavens and on earth, even ants in their hills and fish in the water, call down blessing on those who instruct others in beneficial knowledge. So our topic regarding science, microorganism. Now we'll discuss the microorganism, however, other living organism around us which we normally cannot see. These are called microorganism or microbes. For example, you might observe that during the rainy season, moist bread spoiled and its surface gets covered with grayish white patches. The types of microorganism can be classified or are classified into 4 groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoan, and algae. Bacteria are the type of biological cell. They constitute a large domain of prokaryotic microorganism, typically a few micrometers in length. Bacteria have a number of shapes ranging from spheres to rods and spirals. Bacteria were among the first life forms to appear on Earth and are present in most of its habitats. In this picture, you can see that cocci-shaped bacteria and bacillus or bacillus-shaped bacteria. Fungi, unicellular or multicellular, they are plant-like, but chloroplast not there. They get food from plants and animal waste. Protozoa, they are unicellular. They found in fresh water and salty water. Parasites, which depend on the other living thing, organism which live in or on the other organism and causes harmful impact, and they move from place to place. Example, amoeba, paramecium. Now we have alga. Alga is an informal term for the large and diverse group of photosynthetic eukaryotic organism. It is polyphytic or a grouping that includes species from multiple distinct clouds. Viruses are also microscopic. They reproduce only inside the cell of the host organism, which may be a bacterium, plant, or animal. Common elements like cold, influenza, and host cough are caused by the viruses. Various diseases like dysentery and malaria are caused by a protozoa or protozoan, whereas typhoid and tuberculosis are bacterial disease. Where do microorganisms live? Microorganisms may be single, called like bacteria, some algae and protozoan, or multicellular such as algae or fungi. They can survive under all type of environment, ranging from ice, cold to climate, to hot, spiring, and desert to marshy land. They are also found inside bodies of animals, including humans. Some microorganisms grow on other organisms, while others exist freely. Microorganisms like amoeba can live alone, while fungi and bacteria may live in colonies. Harmless microorganism making curd from milk, the bacterium called lactobacillus, this reproduce in milk and helps to convert milk into curd. Making bread, the fungus called yeast reproduce in flour does and reproduce carbon dioxide during respiration, which makes the dough soft and helps in making bread, cakes, biscuits, pastries, etc. Making alcohol, yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. Commercial use of microorganism. Microorganisms are used for the large-scale production of alcohol, wine, and acetic acid. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. For this purpose, yeast is grown on natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, crushed fruit juices, etc. This is a small smell of alcohol or sugar has been converted into alcohol by yeast. This conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. Medicinal use of microorganisms, the source like injection in capsules of the medicine in the microorganism. These medicines kill or stop the growth of the disease-causing microorganisms. Such medicine are called antibiotics. Streptomycin are some of commonly known antibiotics which are made from fungi and bacteria. The antibiotics are manufactured by growing species microorganism and are used to cure the verify of disease. When a disease-carrying microbes enter a body, the body producing antibiotic to fight the invader. The antibiotics are remain in the body and we are protected the disease-causing microbe. This is how vaccine works. Several diseases including cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, hepatitis can be prevented by vaccination. It is also essential to protect all children against disease. Necessary vaccines are available in nearby hospital. Polio drops given to the children are actually a vaccine. These days, vaccines are made on a large scale from microorganisms to produce human and other animal from several diseases. Increasing soil fertility. Some bacteria and blue-green algae are able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. These microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. Thus, the nitrogen-fixing blue-green algae increases soil fertility. Cleaning the environment. School gardens usually make the manure. They collect waste of the plant, vegetables, and fruits from nearby houses and gardens. They put them in a pit meant for waste disposal. After some time, it gets decomposed and got converted into manure. This microorganism can be used to degrade the harmful smelly substance and thereby clean up the environment. Disease causing microorganism in human. Microbial disease that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person from air, water, food, or physical contact are called communicable disease. Example of each such disease include cholera, common cold, chickenpox, and tuberculosis. The virus may enter the body and healthy person while breathing. There are some insect and animal which act carriers of disease like housefly, anopheles mosquito, etc., and causing microbes and spread dengue viruses. Food preservation. When the flies sit on uncovered food, they may transfer pathogens. Whoever eats the contaminated food is likely to get sick. So it is advisable to always keep food covered. Avoid consuming uncovered food. One should also not let water collect anywhere in coolers. Trade. By keeping the surrounding clean and dry, we can prevent mosquitoes from breeding. Food poisoning. Food poisoning could be due to the consumption of food spoiled by some microorganism. Microbes that are grown on our food sometimes produce toxic substance, these causing food poisoning and causing serious illness or even death. So it is very important that we preserve food from preventing it from being spoiled. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.